It's Monday, November 10th, 2025, and while the thumbnails on the videos are back to normal, we're sticking with the same format this week of recording every day. I'm going to keep it a little shorter on the macro and really get into the charts just so we can talk through how things are progressing day by day so we can figure out how to position our portfolios as markets hopefully find their footing. And I'm going to keep this going with the daily videos until we see a bit of a rebound or until we figure out if Bitcoin is extending its cycle or if we are going into that corrective period with the traditional 4-year cycle. So we did see things rally today, well, actually overnight already, on the backs of the US government shutdown potentially ending. We should get a resolution on that by mid-week to end of week. Also, Donald Trump proposed 50-year mortgages, an extension from 30-year mortgages to 50-year mortgages. That's a whole other discussion that I made a post on this weekend and how it's actually not healthy for those who are struggling to extend by that much because you lower your monthly payment by a little bit, but over the life of the loan, you end up paying substantially more to the banks. So it feels like it helps you in the short term, really hurts you in the long term. But the other thing that got things going was the talk of a $2,000 tariff dividend paid to all U.S. taxpayers or U.S. adults. Now, I also made a post about more detail on that on Patreon over the weekend. But I think the main takeaway that I'm thinking about, while that may juice the markets, it was politically a very shrewd move. And say what you will about Trump, but he has the whole Supreme Court case going on with tariffs in the background. And this shifted the focus. Now, if Americans are getting a $2,000 tariff dividend, it changes the narrative from Trump versus the Supreme Court to America versus the Supreme Court.